Hi there, everyone. Are you completely tired of constantly swatting away annoying fruit flies in your kitchen or waking up to itchy mosquito bites? Dealing with flying pests indoors can be incredibly frustrating. Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are bringing you the best indoor electric insect trap to help you effortlessly reclaim your home from those pesky little invaders. Let's get started. Here we have the catchy indoor electric insect trap. This incredible device is a modern, chemical-free solution designed to keep your indoor spaces free from common flying insects. If you have been struggling with endless fruit flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and other small bugs, the catchy trap is exactly what you need. Instead of relying on harsh sprays or loud zappers, this clever technology takes a smarter approach to indoor pest control. It uses a highly effective triple trapping system that combines three distinct elements to get the job done. First, a bright UV light naturally attracts flying insects toward the device. Second, a powerful yet quiet fan sits below the light to create a continuous downward airflow. Once the insects investigate the UV light, the fan pulls them inside the trap. Third, a sticky glue board sits securely at the bottom, ensuring bugs are trapped safely without creating any mess. This combination is brilliant because it catches insects efficiently without making a single zapping sound. To make this device perfectly suited for different environments, the catchy indoor electric insect trap includes highly convenient multiple fan settings. These adjustable settings allow you to effortlessly balance between stronger trapping performance and significantly quieter operation. You can turn the fan up to its highest mode during the daytime when you want maximum catching power. Then, you can simply switch it to a lower whisper quiet setting for peaceful nighttime use. This fantastic flexibility ensures you always have the right amount of power without disturbing your sleep. One standout feature of the catchy trap is its wonderfully innovative contact-free disposal system. Unlike traditional bug zappers that leave a huge mess or toxic bug sprays that leave a sticky residue, this device completely avoids any direct physical contact with the trapped insects. When the glue board is finally full, you simply open the bottom, remove the board, and throw it straight into the trash. This makes the entire cleanup process incredibly simple, fast, and hygienic. The catchy indoor electric insect trap includes 4 complementary glue boards right inside the box so you can get started immediately. Because the boards can be replaced regularly for consistent catching performance, additional replacement boards are widely available for purchase whenever you need them. This makes long-term maintenance wonderfully easy. It is also important to note exactly how this specific trap operates best. The catchy indoor electric insect trap is highly effective against a wide range of small flying insects. It does an absolutely amazing job at capturing tiny fruit flies, bothersome gnats, and sneaky mosquitoes. However, it is specifically optimized for these smaller pests and is not designed to capture much larger insects like giant houseflies. By focusing entirely on the smaller bugs that most frequently invade our homes, it provides exceptional targeted performance. Peace of mind is also a major priority with this well-designed device. It is fully registered with the Environmental Protection Agency under the official EPA establishment number 93372 CHN1. This important official registration ensures full compliance with strict safety and regulatory standards. You can confidently leave it running in your family home, knowing it easily meets high-quality safety guidelines. Designed with premium aesthetics in mind, the catchy trap features a sleek, subtle, and modern look that blends naturally into almost any home environment. Most traditional bug traps are ugly and industrial, but this one looks like a premium piece of technology. It is highly suitable for use in busy kitchens, welcoming entryways, cozy bedrooms, and professional office spaces without ever being visually intrusive. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into your modern interiors while continuously working in the background. Overall, it offers a clean, simple, and efficient way to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Do not let annoying bugs take over your peaceful home for another day. Check the price link in the description to grab yours and enjoy a completely bug-free environment. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome home gadget guides. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.